Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Anybody that is new to the channel, my name is Chris, and in this video we're going to talk about Palantir Technologies. Now Palantir had a very rough month in February, basically dropping almost 40 to 50% since their all-time highs. Their all-time highs was around $45, and at the point of the video being made, they're trading around $23. So it was a huge dip and a huge sell-off for Palantir. But not all is lost for the company, and not all is lost for the stock of Palantir. So in this video, I basically want to talk to you guys about why there has been a huge sell-off in Palantir, but at the same time, why there is even more potential for Palantir now that there is a huge dip. And at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you guys whether or not Palantir Technology is a must-buy stock right now, or is a completely good stock or bad stock to not even touch. I hope you do like the video. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about Palantir. Palantir Technologies ticker symbol PLTR right now is trading at $23.95. Okay, this is their monthly chart. You can see that they started the month at around, let's say, $37.78. There has been a huge sell-off in Palantir Technologies. Right now, their market cap is $43.6 billion and an average volume of 83.5 million. Okay, now I'm not saying there has been a lot of great things going on with Palantir, but there hasn't been too much of a terrible news for Palantir. Okay, there's two main reasons to why there has been a huge sell-off for Palantir. Number one, their lockup expirations. A lot of insiders have been selling their shares of Palantir, basically having more outstanding shares that are basically being able to trade in the public. Okay, since they have been selling, the stock price has been dropping. The second thing to why Palantir has been selling off is because of their first quarter earnings. Okay, many investors, analysts, and shareholders have predicted or wanted for Palantir to have a pretty good profit and revenue. Okay, and that did not happen at all. Okay, they had a growth in revenue, yes, but they had a quarterly loss and even more bigger margin than many people expected. Okay, so now that does cause some concerns. Why? Because now the valuation and the market cap of the Palantir did not make sense. Okay, around that time they were trading around $32 when the Q1 came. Okay, so the valuation was extraordinary, and this company was a very overvalued. Okay, right now they're trading around $23, and in my opinion, they are still a little bit overvalued. Okay, but as long as, you know, when they were trading around $45, they were even more overvalued. So that's why there was a huge sell-off. Okay, but not all is lost for Palantir. Palantir rises on latest ARK investment stock purchase. Okay, Cathie Woods has bought more Palantir Technologies stock. Okay, now in a way, I believe in Palantir long term. But having an investor like Cathie Woods, again, Cathie Woods is not the all-time guru, and you should not always follow every single purchase that Cathie Woods, you know, investor puts their money into. Okay, but Cathie Woods has been, you know, investing into companies that is in artificial intelligence and companies that could probably change how everything is long term. Okay, so when you do look at the potential that Palantir does have the potential to basically do all those things in the future. Okay, Palantir has been slowly chipping away and been doing what they're supposed to be doing. So Cathie Woods bought a combined 2.65 million shares of Palantir. Woods' purchase included about 2 million shares for her flagship ETF, ARK Innovation, and around 650,000 shares in her ARK Next Generation ETF. Okay, so that's a positive sign, in my opinion, that more investors are basically buying heavily into Palantir. Palantir Technologies is the 24th most held company on Robinhood. Okay, so there has to be some sort of belief into Palantir. And the second thing, guys, that I believe this is probably going to be the biggest catalyst for Palantir. Palantir and AWS team up for ERP site. Okay, this is going to be a very huge next step for Palantir. Palantir Technologies announced Friday its new enterprise resource planning system with Amazon.com for their Amazon Web Services. Okay, that is very big and very huge for Palantir moving forward. This is how they're probably going to be making a lot more revenue in their second quarter, third quarter, and for the rest of year 2021. Palantir's ERP is optimized to run on AWS to assist customers with data integration and analysis. It has already been adopted by a number of enterprises, including BP and Lanexis, to enable significant cost savings within weeks. Okay, that is the next big thing that, in my opinion, is going to be very powerful. Palantir is a software company that specializes in data analytics, has created a number of platforms including Foundry, Gotham, that are being used by government bodies and commercial customers as a business solution tool. Within 2 weeks of installing the ERP suite, BP was able to unlock approximately $50 million in working capital and has the potential to unlock further savings if applied across the worldwide supply chain. Okay, so that is going to be a very big thing for Palantir and Amazon together, okay? Because one of the big concerns that Palantir did have going into the earnings was that Palantir was more focused in government-based agencies or government, companies or government anything, okay? Now, Palantir is slowly trying to expand their network and going into many different things, okay? In my previous video, I talked about the different types of companies Palantir has already invested into, okay? But now, a partnership with Amazon is a very, very important next step for Palantir. We all know Amazon, right? Almost everybody uses Amazon Prime or has Amazon Prime or uses an Amazon website sometime, at least one time or twice in the week, okay? So Palantir is going to embody or help Amazon, basically help people save money, okay? So that is going to be a very big next step for Palantir, okay? Now, Palantir did have a bit of a sell-off and their market cap went down, okay? Now, their market cap is always going to be around, right now at the time of the video, the market cap is trading around 30 to 40 times their revenue, okay? So if there is a little bit of a dip like there was here, Palantir is a must buy in my opinion, okay? Once this dip happened, I just kept on buying my Palantir shares and I kept upping my position into Palantir. I personally believe into Palantir long term. I do believe Palantir are going to beat their revenue expectations quarter to quarter next quarter. And they have a projection of making around $4 billion by year 2025, and I completely disagree with their projections. I do believe they will be making more money and more revenue by year 2025, not just $4 billion in that one specific year. I do think Palantir is a company that you could hold by long term. This is not a short term play stock. I do love Palantir as a company, and I'm kind of loving Palantir as a stock. The only thing that does concern me about Palantir is their evaluation. So as there is some sort of even further dip for Palantir, I'm going to keep on buying more shares, okay? I do think by the end of the year, in a couple months, I do think Palantir will probably reach around $28 to $30 once again. I do believe in Palantir long term. Again, that is my personal opinion, okay guys? So that's basically the video. I hope I did guys update you guys on what exactly is going on with Palantir. If you guys did enjoy the video, want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe down to the channel and hit me the big thumbs up button. It does help out the channel. All right guys, if you guys have any further comments on Palantir or any comments about any other company, comment down below. Let's discuss them. I just want to see your opinions. All right guys, so thank you all for watching and peace out guys. Till next time, bye. Have a great day.